are at Texas Motor Speedway for Drift and Drag. I just got this new Sony a7 IV camera, and one of my coworkers is letting me borrow some lenses. So gonna be trying out this camera today while we record some drifting stuff. So this will be pretty cool. Shout out to Gabe Drifts. I'll put his info in the description and probably here on the screen for giving me some VIP tickets to come out here. If you guys have seen the video of me doing the wheelie in front of the drifting Mustang, that's who he is. But yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get into it.
I'm so nervous. Okay. I'm just gonna start out in a burnout. Whenever I burn them, I burn them. I'm so nervous. Whew. We almost touched. All right, let's get out. Let's get out. Oh! Holy shit! Holy shit!
I forgot to make an outro while I was there, but yeah, anyway, sorry if this video wasn't too long. I feel like I didn't get a whole lot of footage. I kind of felt like I was going to get more. So sorry if the video is a little bit short. But yeah, I'm on my way home. I forgot sunscreen today, so your boy's cooked. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe. Probably going to be more drift stuff in the future. I'm sure it won't be the last time, but yeah. Thank you for watching. Peace.